Hello ladies and gentlemen, welcome to FM Kawan sharing session. Today, we are going to talk about the benefits of LED. The terms LED stands for light emitting diode. It is one of today's most energy efficient and rapidly developing lighting technologies. Quality LED light bulbs last longer and are more durable. It offers comparable or better light quality compared to other types of lighting. First, benefits of LED: energy savings. LED consume a very low amount of powers, which is 30 to 70% less power than traditional light source. The low consumption of energy will lead to a lower monthly electricity bill. Hence, energy savings. Next, LED tends to have longer lifespan. Traditional light bulbs have an average lifespan of 1,000 to 2,000 hours. Whereas a LED light bulb can last about 5,000 hours, and sometimes even longer. LED don't burn out over time like halogen bulb or incandescent bulb. In addition, LED bulb won't lose any brightness. Moving on, LED is environmentally safe to be used. LED light bulbs do not contain harmful gases or any chemical product, such as arsenic or lead. LED is mercury-free and is 100% recyclable. By using LED, it will help you to reduce your carbon footprint by a third. It is not dangerous to dispose of after use. The other benefits of LED is it requires a low maintenance. LEDs are made with very sturdy material and components that can stand up to harsh weather, shock, vibrations and abrasion. Since the LEDs are tough and durable, it is ideal for outdoor and commercial lighting applications. Thus, it requires a low maintenance. The last benefits is that LED has a short reaction time. LED can have dimming capability. Not to mention that they can be switched on and off instantaneously, without affecting their performance, even over the long term. LED can operate in both hot and cold temperatures, contribute to their reaction time. That's all for today's sharing. Thank you.